Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's pumpkin episode, we are making a pumpkin spiced oatmeal. This is perfect for meal prepping, for breakfast, and you can make a bunch at a time and have it ready for the whole entire week. So if you guys like pumpkin and everything pumpkin, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need to make the pumpkin spiced oatmeal. I've got some unsweetened almond vanilla milk, water, and this is quick cooking steel cut oats. If you have time to sit and watch your pot, you can use the regular steel cut oats. It just takes a little bit longer to cook, or you can use old-fashioned rolled oats, which takes no time at all. And then I also have some stevia to sweeten it up, but you can use any type of sweetener that you want. And then over here I have some pumpkin seeds that I'm gonna top my oatmeal with just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. So I have my pot here on medium. To that I'm gonna go ahead and add my almond milk, a little hot, and then my water, and then my steel cut oats. And I'm gonna wait until this comes to a boil and cook it for about 7 minutes or however long you like your texture of oatmeal. All right, so this looks good. I like my oatmeal pretty dry, but if you don't, add either more liquid or take it out before it gets this dry. I'm gonna put a little bit of pumpkin pie spice in there, and then also the stevia. Again, if you like other types of sweetener, use that instead. Give it a good mix. And that is it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in my bowl here. And I really love the steel cut oats because it kind of has a chewier texture and it kind of keeps its shape and not as mushy as rolled oats, but I also like rolled oats too. Just up to your preference. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with those pumpkin seeds. I got this from Trader Joe's. It's the pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds. And then a little bit of cinnamon. And there you guys go. This is 1 serving. So of course, if you're meal prepping with this, double it, triple it, and then you'll be set for the rest of the week. So now I'm gonna go ahead and taste test. It's gonna be hot. Nice and chewy, just like I like it. And then you can really taste the pumpkin pie spice running throughout the whole thing. This is delicious and it's so easy to make, especially if you are trying to meal prep for the week. So if you guys like pumpkin recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.